Most finance channels will not tell you this, because their sponsors would drop them. But here at MikiMoney AI, we're all about transparency and giving you the tools you need to succeed. So let's dive right in. Midnight to 0:30. Track record last year, I predicted that AI would revolutionize the way we make money online. And guess what? It did. From chatbots to content generators, AI has opened up countless opportunities for us to build passive income streams. But that's just the beginning. Today, we're going to take a closer look at how you can leverage AI in 2026 to create a steady stream of income. 0:30 to 1:30 methodology now. You might be wondering how I come up with these predictions. Well, it's all about data. I analyze trends, consult experts, and use AI itself to help me make sense of it all. This isn't just guesswork. It's backed by solid evidence. And the best part? You can do it too. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can start building your own passive income streams today. 1:30 to 3:30 prediction number 1. So let's start with the safest bet. In 2026, AI-powered content creation will continue to grow. We've already seen it with tools like ChatGPT and Dreamina Seedance 2.0. These platforms allow anyone to generate high-quality content with just a few clicks. And the demand for this content is only going to increase. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media content, or even scripting videos, AI can help you do it faster and better. The biggest risk to this prediction is that some people might be hesitant to adopt these tools. But trust me, once they see the results, they'll be hooked. 3:30 to 5:30. Prediction number 2 next up. We have a medium confidence prediction. In 2026, AI will start to play a bigger role in e-commerce. Imagine being able to create personalized product recommendations, optimize pricing strategies, and even handle customer service all through AI. It's not just about saving time. It's about increasing sales and improving the customer experience. Of course, there are those who argue that AI can't replace human touch, but the data shows that when used correctly, AI can enhance the shopping experience for everyone involved. 5:30 to 7:30. Prediction number 3 now. Here's where it gets interesting. Our third prediction is the controversial one. Most people won't believe this, but I'm 70% confident that AI will start to disrupt traditional job markets in 2026. We're talking about jobs that were once thought to be safe from automation. From accounting to legal services, AI is starting to show its potential in these fields. Of course, there are those who argue that AI can't replace human expertise, but the data shows that when used correctly, AI can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of these tasks. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Wild card, and finally, we have our wild card prediction. In 2026, AI could potentially lead to the creation of entirely new industries. Think about it. If AI can automate tasks and create content, what else can it do? The possibilities are endless. Of course, this is a long shot prediction, but the implications could be huge. If you're looking to get ahead of the curve, now is the time to start exploring these emerging technologies. 9 to 10:30. How to prepare? So, how do you prepare for these changes? First, educate yourself. Learn about the tools and technologies that are shaping the future. Second, start experimenting. Try out different AI tools and see what works for you. And finally, stay adaptable. The world is changing fast, and those who can adapt will thrive. 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Accountability. Bookmark this video. I'll revisit these predictions in 6 months and see how accurate they were. And if you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Remember, this is not financial advice, but it is a roadmap for the future. So let's get started and build those passive income streams together.